Hey students, welcome back. Today we are talking about mass percent. So mass percent is very simple to do. It goes hand in hand with the molar mass that we did yesterday or in the previous notes. So let's talk about mass percent. First off, please make sure you're getting this information down here. Excuse me, my pen got a little crazy on me. Make sure you've got that. If you need to hit pause, go ahead and do that. We're going to jump right in with our definition of percent composition. Percent composition is the part an element makes up in a compound. It is very simple to calculate. It is just like calculating your percent on a homework assignment or on a problem, whatever you want to do, okay? So our steps for doing that, very simple. There are 4 short steps. Step 1 is to find the molar mass. So that's what we learned how to do on the previous notes, or 4.2 notes. If you need to refer back, that would be 4.2 molar mass notes. Super easy. All right, then step 2, we are going to divide the element's total mass by the molar mass. So whatever the element makes up divided by the molar mass, all right? Step 3 is then to multiply by 100 because this will give us a percent sign, right? And so then we're going to label it with a percent sign and round to 2 decimals. I apologize if you can hear the dogs barking outside. There is a dog out, or another cat out there, and they are going crazy. All right, so here we go. We are finding the mass percent of both elements in water. So our first step is to find the molar mass. We have H2O, that's our formula. We have H2 times 1.00794, which gives us 2.01588. We have O, 1 times the 15.9994, which is 15.9994. Remember, if you're having problems with keeping up, go ahead and hit pause and get yourself caught up. We add these up, we round them to 2 decimals. This is 18.02 grams per mole. So that's us already doing the rounding. All right, at this point, we want to now go to our steps. So step 1 was to find the molar mass, right? So step 2 is now to take that mass, the element's mass, and divide by the total. So we're going to take and divide by 18.02, then hit times 100. That will give us our percent sign. So let's type that in our calculator, 2.01588 divided by 18.02. And we should get, then times 100, my apologies for forgetting to say that, we should get 11.18%. So 11% of this compound is hydrogen by mass, all right? We're going to do the same thing with oxygen, divide by 18.02 times 100. All right, so we're going to take 15.9994 divided by 18.02 and multiply by 100. All right, that's going to give us 88.79, all right, percent oxygen. All right, when we add these up, hopefully we get really close, really close to 100%. And if you see there, that's 98.97%, which is really close, right? Where we had our issue is where we rounded there and we didn't round anything else, but it's all good. We are really close. So that's how to find the mass of each of them. Now let's go back and let's look at our compound where we're just finding, like in this case, we're just looking for percent oxygen, mass percent of oxygen. So iron 2 chlorate, so first we find our formula, FeClO3, and we need a 2 there because Fe is plus 2, chlorate is minus 1, right? And we have to do our little crisscross, right? We're good there. All right, so let's break this baby down. We have Fe, we have one of those. Fe's atomic mass is 55.845. which is 55.845. Sorry, my 5s don't work sometimes. Cl, we have 2 of those, 35.4527. That's going to give us 70.9054. And then last but not least, we have O, 6 times 15.9994. That's going to give us 96.9964. Excuse me, that's 95 there. All right, but basically 96, right? 96. I changed colors there. Nice. That's awesome. Cool. Let's try that again. All right. Let's try that again. 95.9964. We add those puppies up. We get 222.75. Remember, our label is grams per mole on molar mass. Okay, now we're ready to we are looking for just oxygen. So in this case, we only have to divide oxygen's mass by 222.75. Multiply that by 100, and that will give us our answer there. So my 100 got a little messy. Times 100, we should get 43.10% oxygen. So almost half of the mass is made up of oxygen. Okay, I'll see you on the next round.